Hey everybody, so because there's two awesome people out there that decided to send us packages this week, it's a time for another Mailbag Monday. I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we're Fun King 3D.
You've got mail! You've got mail!
Alright, so which one should we open first?
This one.
That one? Alright, so we'll slide this out of the way. Now, this comes somewhere from the UK because it says by air mail, Royal Mail, and there's no return address, but it does say here on the back, enjoy from Hawk 3D Proto. So that is a package from Ben, and I've been seeing people on Twitter getting these packages, so I was hoping that I too would get one. And what are you doing? Sniffing the bag?
Yes, I am. It has a very weird smell. Sniff it.
Smells like an envelope. Did you just get me to smell an envelope?
No, it's just...
You're weird.
Ow!
Look at that. Look at that. Two awesome stickers from Ben at Hawk 3D Proto. These are really nice, Ben. These are nice quality stickers. I really like these. So, but you did not give me a return address or a self-addressed stamped envelope. But if you want to send me your mailing address, I will return the favor and send you some of our stickers back. So, and you know what? I have a great idea. Let's find a place for that. Oh, right about there. Right next to Chris Riley at Chris's Basement. You're weird. All right, so that next brings us to this box that comes from Amazon. I kind of know what it is based on what it says on the box. I kind of think I know who sent it, but
yeah, I think I know who sent it.
we will find out for sure momentarily.
Whoa.
It's a box of little boxes.
Yeah.
And a big stack of papers. 3 dang motors. I really signed up for this. Now go build a printer. Walter. Hey man, I hope these help you out. Walter. Really thought you would design this for one motor. Walter. Yes, through a series of ropes and pulleys, we're going to control it all off of one motor and some levers. Thank you, Walter. Walter did mention the other day that he was going to hop onto my wish list and take care of some of the steppers for me, and I definitely appreciate that. Let's you like that one because it rocks around, huh?
I like
Let's
that
pop
one
this
does
open.
a little too, but this one.
Let's pop these open and check out the contents inside.
It's the mini box. Just watch there being another box
Another
inside.
box inside of there. All right, so it looks like
Looks like it.
It looks like what we got is a specification sheet running the specs on these motors. And these are 48 millimeter motors. They have a ridiculously high torque rating for a NEMA 17, but that's because these are going to lift the Z-axis, and they're also going to run the X-axis, which runs through double belts. So I wanted high torque.
Let me see that box.
So
I want to see if it smells weird. No, it doesn't.
oh, you're just into like
This box might.
so. Yeah, these are really nice. Come with a nice long cord, but I mean it looks like any other NEMA 17. It's heavy, but don't pull the packaging apart. It is they're definitely packaged very nicely, and these are from Stepper Online, which you can order directly from their website. These ones came through Amazon, obviously by the box. So I will be doing a review of those in the future for sure, just to let you guys know how it works out. And of course, you'll see that through the build process of the FK1. So thank you, Ben. Thank you, Walter. You guys are awesome. Walter, I will get your logo put in on my sponsorship run. If you guys have not checked out Hawk Proto 3D's YouTube channel or Kuntry 3D's YouTube channel, there will be links to the description for both of those And we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you sending us stuff. We thank each and every one of you for sending us stuff. We even thank you guys who have thought about sending us stuff and haven't done it, because at least you're thinking about us, and that's what's most important. If you like what we're doing, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Bing! And as always, print on.